everyone, this is Carlos again. In this video, I will show you our production process of LED street light. Attach a production flow chart to give you a general idea of the process. Okay, let's go to the site now. We are a dust-free and static-free factory, so before entering the production line, we should wear the anti-static clothing and through the automatic voice air shower. Here we come to the SMT workshop. Come with me. Firstly, we fix the PCB on the board. Then, we brush the trim on PCB. As you can see, we have a set of tin printers. After tin brushing, we need to deliver it to the SMT machine. The resistors and other components are mounted on PCB. As you can see, we have 8 SMT lines. We can produce 30 to 50 kilometers one day. No waterproof LED strip. After the SMT machine, we come to the reflow soldering machine. As you can see, the temperature is different from the beginning to the end. This can make all the components strongly soldered on the PCB. After reflow soldering, our inspector starts testing. The testing may include 3 steps. 1. The soldering pass is enough. 2. All the lab can be lined up. 3. Ensure all the components can be properly soldered on PCB. Okay, so much for SMT processing. Let's go for next steps. See you.